Hi, I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. If you are a nursing student, we are here to help you get through nursing school. The challenge with nursing school is the volume of information that you are expected to learn and retain. That's why flashcards make so much sense. You can learn in bite-sized pieces, and they lend themselves well to repetition, which is key for remembering all of that information. Our team of expert nurses has consolidated all the information out there into just the important stuff you need to know. So instead of reading 13 pages on heart failure in your nursing textbook, you can review exactly 2 cards to get all of the key points about that disorder. In addition, we have bolded the really important facts that you are likely to get tested on and included our silly and helpful hints for remembering the information. On top of that, we have hundreds of free videos on YouTube that follow along with our cards, so you can not only read the important information, you can hear it too, and that really helps that information to sink in. For more information, visit us at leveluprn.com, and happy studying.